super secret bonus stream. Yes. Do 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 do. I like this one too. It's good. It's a good opener. It's a good opener. Good opener of the songs, indeed. Yes. I just like those fluty things going on. When you turn it down like this, though. Alright. TigerJam 4 starts in 25 days, in 23 hours. You're gonna have TigerJam number 4. The 4th TigerJam ever. With the theme will be announced at the start of the jam, and that'll be at 12 o'clock noon Eastern. I'm in Central Time right now, but this is the real thing right here. Bam. It should be a good jam. We're gonna have a good time. The rules are pretty simple. Have fun. The credits, all your assets, anything that you didn't make by yourself, but even the stuff that you did make, you need to have full credits for everybody who participated or every source of everything that you might have used. Just use common sense. You know, none of these rules have very strict rules. But Tomo says, hey, I haven't joined yet, but I will if I'm not out traveling. That is awesome. Fantastic. Yes, more Tiger Jammers. It'd be great. So kind of loose interpretation, just do your best with the rules. That's how I always encourage it. So, like, do your best to do credits. Do the best that you can. And that kind of spells out just kind of any stipulations here. Because sometimes people ask, like, well, hold on, what about blah, blah? So, like, I try to put some of that in here to keep me more able to hang. Rule number 3, your game must have at least one tiger or tiger reference. It has to have a tiger in it. Not specifically to me, Tiger J, but just a tiger in general. There has to be a tiger reference in your game. It's the most important rule, except for rule number 1, which is to have fun, and rule 2, which is credits. They're kind of, these 3 are kind of in order, I think, for like how I would of importance. Okay, rule number 4 is no past projects. It's got to be an original project for the jam. You know what that means. You know, don't look for loopholes there. You know, you can be inspired though sometimes by older things that you've worked on. Like sometimes I do a jam game where I'm like, oh, I remember that one jam game I did 4 years ago. I think I want to do a sequel to that. That's cool because it's not a past project. Nightbot just put the link to TigerJam 4 in the chat right now. So, if you want to get the link to the page I'm looking at right now, that is the link the Nightbot just posted. Number 5, your game's got to be free to play during the whole jam, obviously, because we're going to be playing right everybody's stuff. And it's got to be safe for me to stream on Twitch and throw on the YouTube channel. So, you can't, nothing hateful, no sex stuff, none of that. That's the rules for the jam. It's going to be a good time. All right, cool. Sweet. If you're watching this on VOD, on YouTube, the link to the jam is in the description down below. For sure. Because that's like, you know, totally going to put this on YouTube later today. After I'm streaming, actually. It's the next thing I'm going to do. I have 3 VODs to do. I've got last Saturday's VOD where I streamed 3 games from Mini Game Jam 158? 158 or 159, I can't remember which one. That was last weekend's stream, and then yesterday's stream, we did Bullet Hell Jam. I played 3 games from that, the top 3 from the Bullet Hell Game Jam, and then I also did, I think 3 games from, there was another jam I did yesterday too. I did 2 jams yesterday as well, just the top 3, so we can look at the submissions. It was a long day, and then I played video games all day long with my friends, and just had the best day. It was great. We got a fresh, hot cup of coffee. It's very hot. But I also have water. All right. What were the jams? All right, jam number 1. Jam number, these are probably from 2 different ones. Bullet Hell Jam, yup, and yeah, it was Godot Wild Jam 69, that's what we did. So we played Voidscape, DEFCON Junior, Blank Space yesterday. And then we also played Tived, Gotcha Gun, and Cell Hell. I didn't play Cell Hell a lot. This was the shortest one that I went through. But that's because it was like the theme for Bullet Hell Jam was consequences. And this was kind of like a vertical shooter bullet hell where cells and viruses come down. There's pictures here. You know, I'll still talk about the game. It's a cool game. It's a good game. But you don't want to shoot the green stuff, so you have kind of 2 health bars here. And you're trying to fix the patient. And the artwork was really good, and everything about the game was great. I just didn't play it for a long time because I felt like I got the hang of it, and I wasn't sure if this was going to really go anywhere further. I did see that there was a boss fight I got to one time. It was also very hard for me. I was doing really bad. So, that's the other reason. I was also sucking. Yes. Sucking very bad at the game. So I gave up. But yeah. We played all of those yesterday. Active submissions. What do we have in here? This was the Cell Hell one that I did late, so just deactivate that. But yeah, VODs of those will be out later tonight. Sorry, just clicking around a lot. Don't get sick watching me click really fast. I was trying to think about what I'm doing next. Well, sometimes I click around a lot, driving people crazy. I do this too. I do this boxes like this. While I'm thinking, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to Godot mode. I already pulled the source code today. That's where I was at. And I need to grab the right version of Godot. It's the one right. I don't know why I have 4.2.2, 4.2.1. I don't know why you're here. You shouldn't be here. You need to go away. Alright, here's the Godot game. Sorry about all the clicking earlier. And the jump scare just now. I'm yelling at the microphone now. I am sorry. Right, here, let's pause. I don't know if there's music on this yet. Alright, let's go. This is... No, there's just a horn. This is Godot, though. This is the game where you pick up all the treasure in the world. You gotta get all these coins. The problem right now is it goes faster and faster, and I have to change that. So that's one thing I'm going to do today, is remove the incrementing speed. Alright, so just having some fun here. Throw the music back on, for sure. Okay. Tomorrow Games asks, are you going to use Godot Boat for your arcade project? Yes, absolutely. I'm glad you asked that. Yep, 100%. This game, and then I'm going to remake another game I did called Tower of Safety. Let me open up Chrome here. I'll show that one. So this was originally done in Unity. I'm going to remake this other game that I did in the past for a jam. And I'm going to do it in Godot, and both of these games will be used with the operating system. Yep, to be an arcade game, absolutely. It would be a good arcade game. Thanks, man, appreciate it. Yeah, this is a really fun kind of arcade game where you shoot in one of 4 directions, but you only want to shoot dragons and not the people that run into the center. I wonder if this will work. It's been a while since I've downloaded this. Where's the latest version? This is a Windows 1. I wonder if I can show this real quick. This might not be the best version of the game either. I have other versions of it. but we'll see, because there is an arcade version. Like I made this in Unity and did an arcade version of the game where I took it around Indianapolis and showed it and at different arcades and stuff. It was pretty fun. All right, that extracted. But I think this is probably more of the jam version of the game. I don't think I ever uploaded the arcade version to Itch. This does have music. But this will be the other game. So Godot Boat and then this game also will both be used for the arcade machine. Yep, with the operating system, which I'll eventually start to show here. Oh, I wonder if this is the right display. Let's hope so. It's working. Oh yeah, this is an older version because the castle got removed later on. Ooh, I just shot somebody. But yeah, essentially. There we go. You gotta shoot the dragons, people keep running in, you got the health bar on the top there. I'll see if I have a better version of it here in a second. Yeah, this is definitely an older version. All the people are in here as they run into the castle, which I thought was really kind of interesting. Like, I added all the pixels on there. I think they're just randomly positioned. Ooh, shot a horse. Oop. Next wave. And so that's the idea of Tower of Safety. And I wonder if... Yeah, I'll find it some other way. Tumble Game says, yeah, this would also be a good arcade game. Yeah, for sure. Yep, so both of those. So yeah, in the Godot Boat game here, there is an issue with, I think it's in the session manager script here. Let's see. Where's my music at? Turn this down a little there. All right. I think I'm going to change the genre. Feel free to request any genre of music that you'd like. Genre. I'm going to do chill jazz now. Chill guitars. Chill bass. I like how they put a fish on there. I think it's supposed to be bass, but it's a fish. That's really funny, actually. Oh man, that's good. There's a lot of chill pop. Welcome to the TigerJam chill stream, where we're gonna listen to really great chill pop music. Yeah. On today's adventure, sounds kind of like an infomercial. On today's adventure, we're gonna solve bugs, improve code, and have a dance party. Okay. Restart game sets the speed to 200. Speed 0. Speed plus 50. What? What? And the difficulty gets harder? What? Alright. Oh, there's a speed label too? If the speed's going to be set the same, then it's not going to matter anymore. Alright, hold on. The cough button. Oh yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna have to remove this speed thing from the UI too. And then we're gonna work on the shark maybe. The shark. Just comment that out for now. Okay. How professional to mute during coughs. I know, I do that for my streams. When I hang out with my friends, I don't. I just cough right into them. So, I'm sorry. I'm gaming. Nightbot every 22 minutes is going to remind us all that TigerJam 4 is coming up at the end of the month. TigerJam 4. Paid for by Friends of Tiger. Alright, so that removes the speed. I think it's going to go too slow. Maybe. No, it's not too bad. And then I'll have to get rid of... That's cool because the score shouldn't even be above... I mean, the score should be like the top UI element. Then I'm going to play around with these coins, and there's also a shark. But this is cool. So the speed stays the same, but the difficulty still increments on a timer that times out. I don't remember how often. It's maybe like every 10 seconds or something like that. And that increases the different piece choices. So there are... Pieces have, I think, a difficulty weight to them, and they're queried out. Oh, there's a shark piece. It's the first of the sharks. I don't think you can actually die on the shark yet. Maybe you can. We'll try. I'm going to try to die on a shark, because that might be another bug. Nope, couldn't die on that one. Nope. No, they don't care about me. Now I can just chill, though, and collect coins. I'm a Godot boat. I wonder if I should slow it down a little bit more. And then I can have moments later on in the game where I increase it. They eventually will overflow because it's just colliders. Yeah, right now. Yes, the shark is there. It doesn't flip correctly, but I really like the animation of the shark. Once it starts to flip right now, the shark can moonwalk. It's a Michael Jackson shark right now. And the coins will eventually overflow, I think. I've never collected enough to do it, but they go up to the boat. The boat's eyes also move with the boat on the bottom, like the top Godot boat logo. It moves back and forth. And I think it's going to stay there. Like, that'll just be part of the game, is that big part of the UI there. I like it. It's really cute. And this is just going to be a cute, kind of fun arcade game to test with, too, and be very simple anyway. Just a single-player experience. Maybe have two-player eventually, where you take turns, like the old-school arcade games, for sure. The coins right now will overflow. What's going to happen, and might happen today, is that the coins, once you have like 50, will turn into a treasure chest, and then you'll get more coins. And then the next 50 will turn into a second treasure chest. And then after you get maybe like 5 treasure chests, like it'll like turn into something else. So there's going to be some kind of weird like scoring system in addition to the points score. There's going to be a score related to the collection of treasure that's been acquired on the high seas are in the Godot boat lands. And my music stopped, which is very unfortunate because it was really chill. I think it's probably fine. It just feels a little jittery right now to me. I don't know. I guess it looks okay. I'm watching it on the preview camera now, which is a slight UI delay, but you can definitely feel it compared to running it right on the system. I'd really like to put my music back on. Oh man, it could be a legal problem. Yeah, I'm not sure if it would be or not. I'll ask the Godot team if it is. It'll be planned to be called Godot, and then if they don't like it or there's an issue, I'll fix it later. I'll ask, but I'm not gonna yeah. I can always change it to robot boat. Although Godot boat's really where it's at. But I think since it's an open source community owned project, that it'd be really hard to. I mean, there's a Godot Foundation, of course, but I don't think they'd be upset with it. It's a game that's made in Godot, and I think overall they'd probably be really positive about it. So I think I'm just gonna do it. I'm also a platinum sponsor of the engine, so I give them money. I do pay them monthly. I think they'll be all right. You just switch to Godot face if there'd be a problem. Nice feature with the eyes. So you should keep it moving either way. Yeah, I was thinking when you first mentioned it, I could change it to like robot boat or something like that. Just kind of do the minimalist amount of changes. Or Dogot boat. So DOGOT. And then just change the face a little bit more. Or like they're about to overflow. We're gonna see what happens. They'll just follow the same pattern. I think it'll probably just follow the same pattern every time when they start to overflow. I don't think it'll change. Then every coin will just fall off the screen into infinity, into the abyss. It's coming. Oof, getting close. 2 more. I think I only saw 1 coin there. But they fall from above, so I think... Oh, they're going off the screen now. 1 just did. I think eventually it'll settle in, and then they'll all follow the same pattern. There'll be a couple different times where they fall off until then, but eventually they'll get there, because sometimes they bump each other. It's getting there, though. We almost have all the treasure. Oh, now they're popping right up on top. It's awesome. I wonder how that one got stuck up top. Thought they were falling off the screen already. Oh boy. Come on, coins. Give me all the coins. I have 145 right now. This is are they going around the boat? The boat shouldn't have a collider on it. I think it just looks that way. It just looks really cool how they're going around the boat right now. Yeah, they're going behind it now. I was going to say, I don't think they should be doing that. Yeah, that's really wild how that happened. That's pretty cool. I'm really happy about that. It's the little things. It's fun when your projects surprise you. Face was itching. All right. One's about to come through the wall. Uh-oh. That could take me out. I wonder if it could hit me. If the gold coin attacked and destroyed him. That shouldn't be happening. It's probably because I'm over where they spawn in at. It's a random position, so it won't be the same each time. So I guess oh, there they go. I was trying to see if they could kill me. They flew through the wall. That was awesome. That was so great. And now we know what happens. And now we know what happens when they go. Oh, there's another one. I'm trying to let them hit me. I don't think that they will collide with me, because I'm pretty sure they have to have a special tag that they don't have. Because the wall won't kill me either. Just the sand. The sand is the only lethal thing right now in the game. Yeah. All right. And I don't know that I'll ever get them to overflow how I thought they would, because they break through the tile map collider, which is silly. But I guess it makes sense. And there's another one. They do go up a little bit. Yeah, they're not... Oh, I just lost 2 more. I wonder how many I've lost versus how many I've gained. It'd be really cool if the boat was down at the bottom and it rose up and floated on top of the gold. So as you got more coins, the boat would like move up higher and higher. All right. So 191 coins, I've probably lost about 30 or so through the wall, I'd say. So yeah, probably after 50 coins, you get like a treasure chest. And then after 50 coins, you get another treasure chest, and then you have 2 chests at the bottom, kinda. And then after you get like 5 treasure chests, then those would turn into a 3rd item, and it would just keep scaling up that way and get crazy. And then on your score, or on your profile, your leaderboard on your app will show your highest achieved Godot boat treasure. You know, as like a little trinket that you get. That's the idea. Ooh, I almost just lost an island. This is super easy though for me, and I'm enjoying it. It's pretty cool. I think I'm done testing this out. Okay. So yeah, 200 is pretty good. I'm gonna see. Let's see what 150 feels like for fun. This is gonna be a lot slower. No, sure wasn't. Just seeing if the speed is really slow. I put it to 5. This is the slowest boat ever. I have so much time I could turn the music back on and see what's going on here. Okay, good. That is the right speed. Okay, yep, 200 is probably the best speed. Will it progressively get harder because of speed or more sharks and islands? Exactly. It will progressively get hard because of mechanics. The speed is going to stay constant now as a constant speed. It'll be a Let me think about how to say this. The speed will be a constant speed. It might vary in certain situations under circumstances due to a power-up like a boost pad or something that might slow the boat down for some reason mechanically in the game, as a game mechanic. But the speed will no longer increment with the difficulty timer. That's what the big change here is, that I was testing out to see how it felt, which was this line here. Used to increment the speed by 50 every time the difficulty timer would time out, which is currently, that's on the session scene here. So that would be I thought it was every 10 seconds. So every 10 seconds, the speed would go up by 50 in the past. But now, that no longer happens. Now, there might be level pieces that have, you know, sharks in them, and that makes it harder, like you're saying. I didn't mean to hit F5 on that. Stop. I'm trying to go over here. So this is a shark piece here. This is the first shark piece, I believe. It's just a hanging shark piece. Maybe there's only one. This might be either the... Yeah, this is the only shark piece. Alright, introduce the shark. That's pretty cool. Shark path. And then this is the shark. Shark path. Do. I think my coffee's still too hot to drink. It's very sad. The song is about my coffee too hot to drink. I know you came for Tiger improv karaoke. My coffee's too hot to drink, but I'm working on my shark. Working on my shark. Working on my. Bop. All right, so I'm in the shark path script. I'm gonna make a reference to the shark itself scene here, because that will then have a script on it that I'm gonna attach, and then that script will delete this boilerplate, but I have a reference to the animated sprite 2D, and then I can flip it. Tomolo says, "Great music playing now." I agree. This is the jam right now. I'm having a good time. I wonder what station we're listening. This is Chill Pop. I'm down with this Chill Pop station all the way. Chill Pop station. Chill Pop station. All right. So what I've done is I've just whenever I do this, I think someone showed me on the stream. I don't remember who exactly did, but you can hold control. Left click drag, hold down control, and then release the click while the control key is being held down. And that generates the code automatically for you. So just from the, what's going on here? I just broke everything. All right, from the beginning. So if you just left click to drag and then hold the control key down when you release the left click, it'll drop that in automatically. Which is great. I like it a lot. Anyway, pro tip. I don't remember who shared that with me, but man, it saves me a lot of time. It saves me a lot of time, for sure. All right. So that's in the shark, right? And then in the shark path now, we have a reference to the shark. So we can then update the path follow value, or take the path follow value or the path 2D value, and then flip the animated sprite 2D horizontally. So I'm just thinking if I want to do that in the process loop while I'm sitting here, and I think I do. I think I want the path 2D reference in here too, maybe want that reference, maybe. So path underscore 2D dot. So path 2D node. I'm going to check the documentation real quick on this. See what properties we have. All right. I've never really looked at the path follow 2D properties a whole lot. I did when I was making one game really quick for a jam. But just some interesting things here, you know, is that this H offset is pretty cool, and that's the node's offset along the curve. That's pretty interesting. All right. Okay, so the path is round trip back and forth on the shark path, and the progress ratio will then, I know when it's over 0.5 that the shark is halfway through. So what I can do is look at this property of the progress ratio here, and when it's past 0.5, I can flip the sprite of the shark using those values. So what I'm going to do, I'm trying to get comfortable. For some reason, I'm not ergonomically dialed in today. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe I'm not like slouching enough. But yeah, we'll do... So if we look at the scene here, we can see that the path goes down one way and then comes back the other. That's why it looks like X's instead of... These are actually the arrows that point the direction of the path. But because it's going back and forth, they overlap and it creates this X pattern. Which means I know at 50% or at 0.5 of the progress ratio, the shark has reached the other half and it should flip the other way around. So here, what I'm going to do is just say if path 2D dot progress ratio. Just kidding. Hold on one moment. It's this that we want. Just kidding. All right, there we go. Progress ratio. Right. If this is greater than or equal to 0.5, then what we'll do is we will take the shark animated sprite 2D dot flip underscore H and set that to true. Else we will set it to false. And we'll put like these colons here that are important, you know, because code. What do we break up here? Oh, it's already variable. Just kidding. Wow. I'm awake. Dance party. Okay. I think that will flip the, let's see if we just, it would be neat if it worked first try. If the shark just flipped now. Flipping sharks. Does this have everything? Yes, because this flips on its script, right? Speed times delta. 5, yeah. That's shark path. So if we come in here, I think I can look at just this one scene. Oh, no, because everything's missing because of dependencies. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. The UI scene wasn't ready. Hold on. Let's do it from the beginning. And we'll get to a shark. It just takes a minute. You know, it's all good. Gotta get to the shark. 110 seconds. Looking for the shark in my boat. There's the shark. Look at the shark. It flips real good. Shark flips good. I fixed the shark. I fixed the shark with one line of code. Yeah, progress ratio. Progress ratio. Path to follow. Follow to denote. Godot engine jam. Godot boat man. Yeah, gangster rap. Freestyle with the Godot boat shark flip. Oh. That's right. Shark's got it. And now I fixed the shark. It still can't kill you, but it flips around. Oh, that would have been a shark death. Instant death. It's a lot better now. My moonwalking shark has died. Moonwalking shark has died. Moonwalking shark has died. Yep. Yeah. It could probably be even better, because I noticed here when I was talking about how path follow looks, it looks like these are not... Are these perfect? I guess they are perfect. Okay. I was like, I don't know if these are perfectly set up paths here. Hold on. I think they are. I think that is perfect. Yeah, it's right on. Okay. So yeah, it is a perfect path. So there we go. Cool. Well, I thought that was going to take longer. We'll check it in here. Ah, this again. Why? Okay. I have to authenticate. Hold on. I'll go to another window. I got this. I got this. Secure repo. Tachi says, hello, sir. Hello, welcome to the party. We're playing around with Godot right now. We just fixed the shark. The shark now flips every time. So before it was a moonwalking shark. My Michael Jackson shark has died. And now this shark is a better shark that does not moonwalk. It doesn't kill the player yet. We're going to fix that next. But right now, the shark does turn around at halfway. And we did it pretty simply by just saying if the progress ratio of the path follow is greater than 50%, then flip the sprite that the shark is using. So very simple fix there. But if you're making a 2D game ever in Godot and you want your sprite to flip and change direction based off of your path, you can use the ratio and control it that way, for sure. Lots of fun. There might be a lot of better ways to do it too. I'm sure there is. Always is. But yeah, we just did that, and then I tried to check in the code here, and it broke. See? Broke it all. Close. I'm fixing that right now. Yeah. And we're playing chill pop music, and we're like having dance parties. Bam. Dance party every day. Dance party every day. And I'm saying random stuff from the microphone to the pop music like I'm a pop star. I just did a Godot freestyle. It was great. Dream Engine. Where am I? Who am I? It's water time. I found the repo. Now I gotta get new credentials. Alright, let's update these. Let's update the credentials. Secret. It is chill music today. I'd start off with metal. There we go. Now it should have... Am I editing the wrong version of the project? I think I might be. Is it on here? Is it in the wrong folder? No. Because this is not showing any changes. Let's see where these files are. Well, this is going to be a fun, surprising moment. I was editing the wrong project. This will be easy to fix. I didn't do too much. But now I get to do it all over again. Repos, Godot, Gunboat, Scenes, Parts. Repos, Godot, Godot Boat. So this is the old version of when it was Gunboat, and I changed it to Godot Boat. I think Gunboat's the right one, though. pretty sure. Because this already had the updated fixes to it also with the coins. Nuts. Alright, let's see. I have 2 different projects that are the same game. What has happened here? Alright, let me add the other one. Let's import it. Because that was Gunboat. Repos, Godot. Godot. This is hilarious. Alright, what is going on here? Oh, here's the line that I first commented out on the stream. Let's hit play and see what game we get now. Oh man. Yeah, this is the right one. This is the right one. Alright. Okay, let's fix it all. We can fix it really quick. First thing that we're gonna do is make the speed constant. Done. I did that. Fixed it, and then we're gonna go get rid of this other. This one, close you. Go away. I'll fix that later. How fun was that, huh? Alright, so this is the right one, I believe. Godot boat, yes, okay. Alright, perfect. So then we just gotta go to the shark scene. So let's go open P7. And open the shark path. Okay. We already have a reference to the path follow, so it's very, very easy to go to the shark. Attach a script here onto our shark. Yes, shark script. And then you take our shark script, we take the animated sprite 2D and just bam, that's it. We're done. We just finished it. I mean, that's pretty much all you have to do now. Kinda. Not really, just one more step. One more step. And that's right here. Just say if path follow 2D dot progress ratio is greater than or equal to 0.5. Then you're going to take the shark, which you're going to reference by dropping in here. You're going to take that shark, not a sark, but a shark, and you're going to get its animated sprite 2D, and you're going to flip H. Underscore H is equal to true. Else, this is an important step, otherwise it'll just moonwalk the other way. You don't want a moonwalking shark like me. Don't be like TigerJ. Avoid moonwalking sharks. Fixed it. It's smoother too. I don't know if you can tell, but this is it's running smoother. For some reason. This is a better build. Definitely was editing an older version of the file. It has a weird jitter that happens every couple of times, right? There. There. It is a lot smoother though. Come on, shark. There you are. And the shark is fixed. It still doesn't kill me, but it's fixed. I had to make sure. It's like, maybe in this version, the shark does kill you. The boat's better, too, I think, in this version. Maybe. Maybe it's the same boat. Okay. There we go. So everything I just did at the beginning of the stream, I just did again. Twice. So, hey, welcome to TigerJ's Godot and Adit, and this will be part of the Godot and Adit collection on Twitch. And in that you'll be able to watch this mistake, and you'll learn that when you rename a project and you create a repo for it, you should probably clean up your files afterwards, and then you won't have this problem. That's what I could have done. And then I wouldn't have done the same thing twice. I've only been live for an hour, so hey, it's not a big deal, but you know, for sure. Speaking of being live for an hour, it's going to be a break time here in a moment. We are getting the Git issue fixed. Hey, look at all those changes. Yes. Okay. We're going to say Sunday party time. Part 1. Whoa, not part 2. Sunday party time part 1. And it'll be fixed. Just say removed speed increase by difficulty. And Shark is no longer Michael Jackson, MJ. There we go. Okay. It's perfect timing to take a little break, which we'll do. We're going to take a little break time now. I'm going to eat lunch and get some food real quick. Make some food here. I'm going to make like a bagel or something. I'll make some food. My coffee is still hot because of the thermos. It's in a to-go thing. But I've got a whole big old thing of water here. So I'm going to go on a quick stretch break and get a snack. Have a swig of my coffee and make a bagel. I'll be back very shortly. It won't be too long of a break. And then when I come back, we'll be doing more Godot development for the Godot boat game. So the shark will kill the player, most likely. And we'll see what comes next from then on. Maybe the treasure chest artwork and turning the coins into a chest after 70 points. I'll start to work on that. I might go in one of those two directions. I might do something totally different. I'm not sure yet. But the next thing after the break in the next segment, we'll be working more on this for sure. Cool. So thanks for hanging out and chilling with my weird, chill pop music station today. I'm really into it today. Chilling out. Making sharks no longer swim backwards. Hanging out. Keeping sharks from swimming backwards, no backwards sharks. It's great. This pop music's awesome. I'm loving the station today. It's really having a great time. All right. Cool. Well, that said, quick lunch break, stretch, relax, chill, hang out. I'll be back in 5 to 10 minutes. And when I come back, we'll be working on making the shark lethal. That shark will be a killer shark when we come back. He'll be able to kill the player. And then most likely treasure chests. We'll start making big old piles of gold and coins and jewels and things. I don't really know how far we'll take it. Might get crazy. I mean, and you might have to play like really long time to get the items to... Maybe we should make it easier. Like not 50 coins, but maybe like 10 coins makes a treasure chest. And maybe like 10 treasure chests makes like a golden, like... I don't know, something or other, and then 10 of the, like, we'll just do it by powers of 10, maybe. Because that still is, like, it's going to be hard to get up to the higher levels, for sure. Although I could also add more of those items into the game. I didn't think about that. Like, there could be a treasure chest or a gem, so it would be worth 50 coins, almost. Oh, it just makes me really excited. The whole, like, weird treasure side thing that collects the treasure on the side makes the game really fun. In addition, like the supplemental scoring of that, just really expanded out just the joy of it. I should probably also make an itch.io page for this game too at some point and let people play test it before it goes on the machines. And maybe even afterwards, but I'm not sure exactly how. Maybe not. We'll figure it out. I don't know. Cool. Anyway, having a great day. Ooh, I keep getting tangled up in cords today. Like, this cord keeps getting caught on the armrest of my chair, and I'm like, why? Why you gotta be like that? It's wild. It's crazy. Alright, I'm going on lunch break. I'll be back. Probably like 5 to 10 minutes. I'm staying here. I'm not like leaving. I'm just going to make some food in the kitchen, making a bagel real quick, an English muffin or something. I'm hungry. I got coffee. I gotta get food in my stomach so I can drink that coffee. Alright, the break screen's going up. Alrighty, microphone check check 1 2 1 2. I'm coming back. Told you to be very fast break. Whoa. For a second, I thought I lost my water, but it's down by the floor. It's like, did I leave my water out in the other room? That would be bad. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so the last thing I just did was fix the shark and have it flip. Still not a lethal shark. The shark don't kill. It does have a static body and a collision shape. It's just not killing the player like we want it to. Alright. And that's because it needs to have the group killer on the shark there. So if we come up in here and go to node and groups, let's just add the killer group here, and that fixes that issue. So now the shark will kill the player also. Hopefully. Right around like 800-ish. It's a pro move right there. There's the shark, and I need the shark to kill me. Oof. I think I dodged it on accident. Shark's gotta kill. Ooh, it definitely, I think it hit me. It just didn't kill me. Did it hit me? I can't tell. The shark's gonna kill me. Shark's gonna kill me. I should see more sharks. Where are the sharks? I don't think they're killing me enough. They definitely push. I felt it push me there. It's weird how it almost feels like you can feel it in your fingertips when it pushes you. It won't do that once it's lethal and kills. But it does push the player right now. I'm 100% sure. Okay. So if body.getGroups is killer, maybe it doesn't go on the shark. Let's check the level piece 3 here. I think it's right on. I put it right on the tile map. Alright, let's go to the shark. I'll put it right on the static body. See if that does it. Just a boat. Just a boat getting gold like a boat does. When I first coded the gold coins, I didn't put the random X position on it, so they just stacked like 10 high. It was just a perfect vertical line of coins because they were spawning at the same X position every time. So I had to put some code in that when you pick up a coin and it spawns it over into the right UI, that it, oh, that should have killed me. Oh, it should have been a death. It pushed me. I'm really sad about this not killing me. That kills me just fine. Just fine, though. Okay. So it don't go there, and it don't go up here either. It's so weird. I'm gonna try to throw it on here. And then okay, yeah, the shark has it on it as a killer. And it has a hitbox right here. Alright. Let's try it again. Here we go. Time for an adventure. Stuff. Killing the bad guys. That's what we're using all this gold for. No, still no death. I think another thing that I'll do with the Godot gold is maybe set up some sort of like prize shop. And once it's an arcade machine, then when you get done with the play session, like your coins can get added to your platform account. And you can like get like a keychain, or like, you know, I used to redeem tickets for little things at the arcade machine, or at the arcade place. The arcade place, the arcade. This will be like my ticket game. I'll get swag. Can get like a Tiger Hype beanie for so many Godot gold coins. So you can get swag. I think that's what I'm gonna do with it. 100% confirmed. Alright. The sharks are not killing me, yo. There's a lot of shark tiles in a row, though. It's pretty neat. Alright. The shark is not a killer. Let's look at that player code again. Let's see what was going on here. Hitbox, body entered. Body entered. This is on my player. Okay, it's an area 2D. Collision shape 2D. This is my player. This is the boat here. The collision shape 2D, the hitbox has a signal on it, and that's on body entered. I wonder if it has to do with the shark. Let's go check out the shark. The shark is using a static body 2D. let's see here. Go 2D. I wonder if I should change it to an area instead of a static body. I think that'll fix it. Let's see if this now corrects the issue. We'll give it the killer group again. Make sure that's spelled right. It is all lowercase. Alright. Cool. Gotta get the coins. Coins, 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 coins. It's the coin song. Yep. I think that I made it a static body out of a habit with old Unity stuff and moving platforms and things. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, I went right through it that time. It didn't even interact with me. No, it's not the right move. No way, Jose. Put it back as a static body. Alright. Because then we at least know we're colliding. I could put a signal on this. I wonder if I can... I know I can change it to an area and detect the player when the player enters the area with a signal on the node here without a problem. What are your collision layer last using, or what are your using your groups to filter that out? I think everything's on 1. It's really simple. Yeah, everything is on 1, I think. Alright, let me think here. This is actually a static body again, which is what we want, because that interacts with the player. It pushes the player, though. Oh, I know what's happening, I think. Yes. I think that I know exactly what's going on. It's the area isn't, this area needs to be just a little bit larger, like this. That will fix it. I bet. I bet that fixes it. Alright. It has to do with that hitbox there. Yep. Okay. Let's go back to the shark. Yes. The shark has the group. Yes. Wee-ha. I think we got it now. I think now it's gonna blow us up. Yeah, so maybe every Every 10 coins would then drop a random treasure chest. That'd be pretty neat. Let's see. Oh. I think I went through it again. Oh, he pushed me. Yeah, no, we're touching now. Alright, I'll come back to this one another day. I'll let that one lie. There we go. Sometimes it takes a long time to mute Pretzel Player. It's kind of weird. Alright. Yeah, I'll figure this out later. I'm going to step away from this problem for a bit. If you're joining me, thank you, as always, for watching. TigerJam number 4 starts at the end of the month. Pretty soon Nightbot will post about it, but there's the link if you're interested in joining. The theme will be announced on June 28th. After that, there'll be about a week to create a game. All the games that are made for TigerJam number 4 will be streamed by me for over the course of a few days, and usually I play them for quite a bit. Like I'll give them really good lengthy playthrough and have a good time. And do some feedback, and then there's 3 weeks of rating and reviewing each other's games towards the end. There might be some bonus surprises along the way, or prizes near the end too. We'll find out. More to come. Cool. All right, so that was the shark issue. What else is there? Let's see here. Let's go into A Sprite and draw a chest. I'm probably going to be live for about 20 more minutes or so, and then call it for the day, and that'll probably be about a 2-hour stream for today. Just hanging out, working on some game code. The first thing, and all the VODs will be done probably tonight, so there's 3 VODs coming out of Game Jam content, and me playing through different Jam games and working on different Godot projects over the last 3 different streams. So last week's stream, that VOD will be finished tonight and published both on Twitch and on the YouTube. I'm trying to get Pretzel to show back up. Thank you. Let's do chill. Let's do classic. Let's see what classic rock does. Ooh, that is weird. It's like artificial classic rock. Here's drum and bass. All right. Yo. Electro swing. Alrighty, so what I was saying, enjoy the chill jazz. Last week's stream VODs will be done, and also the VOD from yesterday. And then throughout the week, I'll be streaming in the evenings, on and off, here and there, doing some more Godot development, working on several different projects with the Godot engine in my free time. And then on Saturday, on the stream calendar, is the next Jam stream that I'll be doing and showing off other Jam projects and different Game Jam stuff. And you can bring any Jam game that you're working on and submit it to that stream. That's the cool, fun TigerJam Saturday Game Jam stream. That is the official on the calendar one, for sure. These dev streams are more casual, hanging out, laid back, improv, very weird. You're in a weird spot right now if you're watching this video. No. I still VOD everything, and so they'll be in the Godot and Addit stream because I did Godot development. The first thing that I did was I removed the speed incrementing value on the boat game, which fixed it. That was more of like a design moment where it's nothing great. It was one line of code I commented out, but it made all the difference. It really fixed. That was the problem. Identifying that was the problem with that game in order to be able to improve it was pretty key there. It just got going like too fast. It's ridiculous. But there were games I played that did that when I was younger, so I was influenced by those and I wanted to emulate it. But instead there'll be different speed zones. So the speed's at 200 and then you might hit like a booster, go up to like, or a ramp, go to like 250 for 2 seconds and then slow back down to that standard constant speed. And maybe that constant speed can be manipulated slightly within boundaries. But that's all to come later on, for sure. And then the second thing we do is we fix the shark. So the shark uses the path follow 2D ratio, and if it's more than 0.5, then we take a reference to the animated 2D sprite and flip it on the horizontal. Those were both the things that we covered in the first half of this video today, for sure. Now I'm going to probably draw a treasure chest made out of gold. It's going to be pretty awesome. On yesterday's stream, we played a bunch of jam games, so all those VODs will come out. That's all I'm doing. Just rambling, and I'm telling you about the upcoming VODs, the 3 VODs that'll be posted in Discord in the VOD channel, for sure. Okay, see if the coffee can be drunk now. It's been a while. Oh yeah, it's good. I needed that coffee. Coffee's where it's at. Coffee's where it's at. All right, cool. Let's start a new 16 by 16. Let's open up the other Godot coin too. Let's go up here to our repos. Ooh, that's the tower. That is the OG tower of safety thing. I think it's a different one. It's a totally different one. Never mind. Go up more. Here we go. Now we are going to open up the correct game this time. Not Gunboat, Godot Boat. That was the other thing we did the first half of the stream. So, images. We want to just grab the coin pickup here. I believe. These are the frames for that coin. There we go. That's our Godot coin. Godot. Godot. Gold. Godot. Never mind. It's bad. Alright. This is gonna, like, put me to sleep. Wow. Is anybody still awake? Just kidding here. Alright, let's do something more upbeat. Where's disco at? There we go. Oh yeah, disco time. Let's make this a little bit larger. So let's do 24. Maybe they should all be the same size if they're going to be represented. Yeah, never mind. Same size. All be the same size. If I start making them different sizes, what I was thinking is, like, then I have to put them in the level as different sizes, and that's going to be weird. Like, if the treasure chest is 1.5 tile wide in the game, it's going to be awkward. It would look cool in the UI because it would give it some change up, but it won't look good in the game if I put these in. This needs to be like a little box of treasure. When I say box, I mean a treasure chest. I think I'm gonna like fill it with gold. I'm just kind of playing around here. I don't really know how I want to design this to go on with the coin. It's mainly gonna be for the UI. That is not. That looks like. This looks like a brown box of old mac and cheese. It's a box of cheese. Man, what's going on with this cheese here? Alright. But no, it's, let's start over. It's hard because you don't have a lot of pixels to work with here. Maybe go 3. I'm trying to think of what this would look like. This would swing up. Like if this was real. Swing up like this maybe. That kind of looks treasure chesty. Treasure chesty. There's a word for you. Alright. Woo, we are getting there. We are drawing a treasure chest. Yes, we are. That does not look good at all. What am I doing? No, that's the wall. I forgot that was the outside part. Alright, just go here like this, I think. Something like that. And there's like a little keyhole here. Oh yeah, that's like such a treasure chest move right there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's getting there. Let's put some gold in this treasure chest. Oh, look at all this treasure! Okay. I wonder if we can make this look like there's light coming from the glowing of the... That looks that looks a little bit better. Kind of like some internal lighting going on right here. That definitely looks like a treasure chest, though. I'd say it's pretty good. I'm happy with my treasure chest. Yes, I am. All right, let's save this baby. Let's save this baby. All right. So this will be treasure pickup, I guess. Okay, and on our script file, the player picks up. And then we have session manager, collect pickup, and then this determines what happens. So I kind of set this up already ahead of time with this match on a pickup item, pickup type, as like a universal item to handle all pickups, and then those can be configured, per need, whether it's a coin or treasure chest or power up or whatever it's gonna do. So like it all gets handled here in this centralized area in the session manager, and it's been picked up. No matter what happens. All right, and this world.add item 1 is what's adding the coin to the UI. And so what I'll have to do is set up the treasure chest to follow the same pattern. With this pickup type. Let's take a look at the pickup item script. Alright. So our coin pickup is just a pickup type coin, pickup value 10. If we go into our scene, this is the coin pickup scene. It's got the animation on it where it spins. That's the coin spinning. Static body, because the player hits it. And again, that makes me think that the shark should be getting detected. It's just very weird that it's not happening. This has the group on it for pickup. This just keeps reminding me of the shark bug now. We're back at the shark bug again. Alright, this music's driving me nuts. We're going back to metal. Alright. Cool. Now that we're back to metal and off of the really weird disco music, welcome to TigerJ's stream, where he plays real weird music on Pretzel. This is exactly how the shark is set up, I think. Let's see here. Let's look at the shark. Just while we're here, shark, static body, collision shape, and let's just look at this with the. Let's close tabs to the right. Close other tabs. Alright, let's look at the coin pickup scene again. Okay. Yeah, so really, you gotta wonder, like, why... The only difference is that this is nested into another object. So that might have something to do with it. I'll have to look at that next time. Alright, we're coming back to the shark later on. But right now we got some treasure chests, so... Coin pickup. Type. Alright, so here's a coin pickup. It has the coin pickup script on it. And the coin pickup script just defines a pickup type and a pickup value. So what I'm going to do is save this as a treasure pickup. Treasure pickup scene, like that. Treasure pickup scene, save. So now it's the treasure pickup scene. I'm gonna rename this. If I could type today, pickup. Alright, that stays as a pickup. Sprite, 2D, inspector, good. This is gonna change. I'm sorry. This is gonna just get deleted on this one. Yeah. There we go. I just want a sprite 2D, I think, right now. There we go. I think that will work. Now let's go in the world. That's gonna come in here. We have the spawn type, coin UI item. Let's pull that up. Alright. So we're just gonna save this as a treasure. UI item. And then change this texture also. And that'll be perfect. Coming back into the world script here, I'm gonna add a reference to the treasure UI that I just created. So that is gonna be here, boom. And I'm gonna do this type. I'm just gonna copy this exact thing here. But I'm gonna change it for 2. And this will be... Eventually I'm gonna have to get rid of the coins also. This is gonna create a new treasure. This will be a treasure item. Should be fine like that when 2 gets passed in. Then going back to the treasure pickup scene, we're gonna remove the script on here, detach script, and then we're gonna attach, because that was actually the coin pickup script. So now we're gonna add a script here for the treasure. Delete all that. Now go to the coin pickup script, and we're just going to define these for the treasure as treasure, and it's going to be worth 10 coins, so it'd be worth 100 points or whatever. Okay, that takes care of that part. Setting that up now in the session manager, we have to take this and kind of recreate this for the treasure chest. I cannot think. Sorry, I was reading the code at the same time. I was like trying to figure out what I was doing here. Whee! One of them days. All right. But yeah, I was reading this. I was like, wait, what is that doing? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Coin count plus 100, so this would be, yeah, tenfold. So we do value, put item key free. Alright, coin text is interesting. That's just the plus 100. We're just gonna leave it there, but we'll fix it later. Instance that. And then world add item is gonna be 2 now instead. Treasure chest. That should work. So if you were to actually pick one up in the world, this would happen. But the other thing that needs to happen is that I guess it is on the collect pickup coin. We need to count. We do have coin count, but we need to 2 things. We actually only need 1 thing. We need an array to store coins for conversion. So we'll just say coin system here, and we're gonna have onReady variable called the coin upgrade. Let's just say upgrade coins. Wow, that was not what I meant to type. Gonna sneeze. Okay. Variable upgrade coins array. Thank you. And then when this world add item 1 goes off. Right. Okay. So here we're going to also add I'm going to just create upgrade coins up here. There we go. So that's going to add the upgrade coins to the list there. The other thing we're going to have is we're going to have another one. We're going to have variable. We're going to have upgrade chests. We'll start storing these in arrays as they get added into the game world. And what's going to happen is once you get to 10, then I'll have them in an array. I can remove them and get rid of them. And clean them out of the tree, the node tree, and then I can spawn the appropriate upgrade once they get to that level. So we're gonna have one for chests too, and then we might have like variable upgrade. What would come after chests of treasure? The diamond maybe. Alright, what would we do? Like an emerald. I don't know. You know, something like that. I'll have to figure out what I want the real scale to be, but right now it'll be emeralds. Alright. Cool. And then what will happen is in the world script here, it'll add, but then at the end there'll be like a check to see if any of the limits hit, for sure. And that'll probably happen on the session manager. I'll have to figure out how all that works out. But here we wanted to add the upgrade coins, and then we're going to have upgrade chests here get added. Chest is added. And then 3, of course, would be emeralds and so on, and just keep going. Upgrade chests. What's this? There we go. Fixed it. Alright. So the session manager should probably have its own function. It's like add collected coin, add upgrade, So this function is gonna like handle adding it to the session manager instead of me doing it directly in the code there. And so now it's gonna be upgrade coins dot append coin. So this is right. Just clean the code up now. I'll add it. So I'm writing it. Should have written it better the first way, but yeah. So instead of this, now it's gonna do is call dot. Add upgrade coin. Just like that. And then here we'll have func add underscore upgrade chest. Node 2D, and it's just doing the same thing. And I do the same thing with emeralds and the same thing with everything else. It's just be really simple this way. Just keeping everything as simple as possible, I think, is best. But we do get to check now and say if upgrade coins dot length dot wow, can't sit straight today and hit the microphone correctly. It's like if I sit in good posture, I can't reach over to the mic. For some reason my mic is like jacked up, not capturing good. Alright, if upgrades.count is this is greater than or equal to 10. Yeah, okay. So what's going to happen is if the upgrade coins count is greater than or equal to 10, then we are going to call the roll dot what was that called? Add item number 2. I'm glad this is not showing up in my autocomplete at all. Where the heck is... What am I even looking at here? Okay, hold on. This is ridiculous. Oh, I guess I have to pass in an instance of it to say what I want to count. I just do node 2. Is that what it wants? Weird, okay. Alright, whatever. Interesting. Alright, so... yeah, that should work. So if you have more than 10 coins, it should now add a chest. I think. I don't think it'll get rid of the 10 coins. It's just going to add the chest right now. I'll have to still do that. 5, 6. But I should get like a chest with the other stuff. And it should roll around. Okay. I didn't get an error and I don't see the chest. I think... I think what might have happened is, coin... You see there's no 11 here. It goes 9. Oh no, it's only sorted weird a bit. Nope, there is no 11 there. Huh. I just killed it. Alright, let's look through this here. And the player. Session manager, collect pickup. What's the red in the debugger? Change state while flushing. Queries, use call deferred instead. A bunch of those. For sure. Not the biggest ordeal in the world, though. Yeah, so instead of this here, it should be something like... Why am I just calling add child? So instead it could be call deferred, add child, and then new coin, like that. And then the same thing for this would be call deferred, add child, comma, new treasure. That fixes that. So that would probably fix most of those. Okay, this node was renamed or deleted. Arcade bucket. But I think this is just a variable that's not used. And this is a warning. So yeah, we're good. Good now. Good now. Probably gonna debug this on tomorrow night's stream though. I am about done for today. So, and that's what the plan will be tomorrow, is to get the shark to kill the player, and then to get 10 of these coins to turn into a treasure chest. And then maybe I'll do some music or something. This game could use some music for sure. And that'll be in tomorrow's stream. So today, the shark no longer moonwalks, which is great, and the player has a constant speed, so the game doesn't get crazy and out of control. And added in a bunch of other stuff too. So it's coming along. Coming along well. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget, as Nightbot has kept reminding and spams every 20 minutes or so, TigerJam 4 is at the end of the month. It's going to be a great game jam, lasts for 1 week, and then after that, we're going to play and rate everybody's games for 3 weeks. I'll do some really lengthy, dedicated streams and give everybody's game a real quality playthrough, provide feedback if you want any. It's up to you, or you can just hang out and chat, and we can all party and have fun. So that's kind of the next month. It starts at the end of June and it'll run for the month of July. That's TigerJam 4. Don't forget to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. This is a development stream. My regular Game Jam streams, which just happened yesterday, are all posted on Itch as VODs. 3 of those are going to be dropping tonight from last week and this week. And then going forward, usually every Saturday at 12 o'clock noon Eastern time, you can bring any jam game you've ever made, one that you're working on or one that you've done, even if it's like 10 years ago, to that stream and submit it. I'll play it. People can talk about it. We can hang out. It's kind of like a game jam chill hangout stream. Saturdays at noon Eastern. So see you then. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and have a wonderful time. Take care.